Mike here, and I want to talk about U-joints and the services of U-joints here, and that what they are. So with our cab off here, you can see an U-joint, and what it does is coming off the transmission, and it's just kind of this deal that helps this line that turns your wheels when the vehicle's moving up and down. It makes it so it can be flexible. But what happens with these is nowadays they don't have any grease in them, and the grease wears out and then they get loose, and this can actually be checked, and then these can be replaced, and you want them. This is the kind of thing that if these U-joints dry out and start to become loose, can put you on the side of the road. So we can check that. We check that with all the inspections at the shops, and then we make recommendations to replace it. If you have a recommendation for a U-joint replacement, it's not something like, well, you can wait. It needs to be done. And it's definitely something not to put off.